Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Ford Mustang V6. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the negative battery cable from your battery to prevent electrical shorts. Once the vehicle is safely lifted, secure it with sturdy jack stands. You will need a basic set of hand tools, including a ratchet, various extensions, and sockets ranging from 10 to 15 millimeters to complete this task effectively. Now let's locate the starter. On a Ford Mustang V6, it's generally situated on the passenger side, tucked away behind the engine. You might need to remove a wheel or other components for better access. Once you have a clear view, carefully remove the red protective cap covering the electrical terminals. Then, disconnect the main power cable, usually secured by a 13mm nut, and the smaller trigger wire, often with a 10mm nut, from the starter solenoid. With the electrical connection safely detached, it's time to unbolt the old starter. You'll typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. These are often 15mm bolts. Some bolts can be tricky to reach, so using a long extension and a universal joint with your ratchet will be very helpful. Once all bolts are removed, carefully wiggle and maneuver the old starter out of its mounting position. Sometimes, removing it through the wheel well provides the easiest path. Installing your new starter is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully position the new starter into place and hand-tighten the mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment. For V6 models, torque these mounting bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Next, reconnect the main power cable and the trigger wire to the solenoid, tightening their respective nuts securely. Finally, reattach the negative battery cable to your car's battery, and then you can test your new starter to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.